I totally forgot about this match because it means absolutely nothing. New Day DIY. New Day DIY. I'm pretty sure both of them qualified for the 6-person match for Mania. It's almost like you could have done a tournament to determine something here, but you didn't because you're fucking stupid. It's almost like Tiger Height is right. It's almost like Tiger Height is always fucking right. Tiger Height is always right. This shit was fucking stupid for no discernible reason. This Raw feels like armor for the cult of AEW to prove that random matches work because it sells out there. Stop giving them ammo. It doesn't work. And guess what? Because I'm Tiger Height and I am unbiased, I'm going to call their fucking asses out. This was fucking stupid. You could have done something better, but you fucking didn't.